In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Audible desktop books with family on Audible desktop. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to share an audiobook by using Audible's Give as a gift feature on a computer. This works great when you want a family member to enjoy a title you already love, and it takes just a few minutes. Start by heading to the Audible website on your desktop browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the Audible homepage, move your mouse to the left side and hover over the Browse section. A panel of options will appear. From there, click on Audiobooks to open the main audiobook catalog. If you already have a specific title in mind, you can search for it. Otherwise, browse categories or recommendations until you find the book you'd like to share. On the Audiobooks page, look for the More Options menu. This is typically represented by three dots or a small drop down near the purchase area. Click that and select Give as a gift. This tells Audible you want to buy the title as a gift rather than for your own library. You'll now choose how to send the gift, by email or by print. Email delivers a gift message directly to the recipient's inbox, while print generates a gift certificate you can hand over or send yourself. For this walkthrough, select Print. It's a handy choice if you want to present the gift in person or include it in a card. Next, fill out the recipient's name and your name so the gift is clearly labeled. You can also add an optional message to make it personal, maybe a note about why you picked the book or when you hope they'll listen. Keep it short and friendly. Double-check the details for any typos so the printed certificate looks clean and professional. When everything looks good, finalize your gift by clicking the Purchase button, which will show the price of the audiobook. If your account needs a payment method update, Audible may prompt you. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After the purchase completes, you'll get access to a printable gift certificate. Save it as a PDF or print it right away, and then share it with your family member. They'll redeem the code on Audible and add the audiobook to their own library. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure the title is available in your recipient's region, and remind them they'll need an Audible or Amazon account to redeem the gift. That's it, an easy, desktop-friendly way to share your favorite audiobooks with family. Happy listening,